Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Amazon for refunds. This is essential if you want your refunds deposited directly into your account instead of waiting for other payment methods. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, log into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, go ahead and click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various preferences. Now look for the section labeled Your Payments and click on it. This is where Amazon stores all your payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts. It's the central hub for managing how you pay for orders and how you receive refunds. Once you're in the Your Payments section, you'll see all your currently saved payment methods. To add your bank account, click on Add a Payment Method. This opens up the options for adding different types of payment sources to your Amazon account. From the available options, click on Add a Personal Checking Account. This is specifically for linking your bank account so Amazon can process direct deposits for your refunds. Selecting this option ensures the refund goes straight into your checking account rather than being credited back to a card or gift balance. Now you'll be prompted to enter your banking details. Start by typing in the name on the account exactly as it appears on your bank statements. Next, enter your bank routing number, which is typically a 9-digit number found on your checks or through your bank's online portal. After that, enter your checking account number. Amazon will then ask you to re-enter your checking account number to confirm accuracy, so type it in again carefully. You'll also need to provide your driver's license number or another state-issued ID along with the state where it was issued. This information is required for verification and security purposes to ensure the account truly belongs to you. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click Add this checking account. Amazon will process the information and save your bank account to your payment methods. From now on, any refunds you're owed can be deposited directly into this account, and there you have it. You've successfully added your bank account to Amazon for refunds. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.